Well, guys, oh my god, look what we got happening here. Yes, that's right, you're seeing it. Spider-Man PS4 Pro bundle.
With all the deluxe edition digital content. So pumped about that.
Yeah, something tells me that we can't even waste any more time talking about it. Let's just get into her.
Before we start, obviously, that's Marcus's. We're just going to leave that box. We're not even going to touch that right now. That'll just be up there so you guys can see it. This is mine. This is the one we'll open right now. And yeah, we'll dive on into it.
Ooh.
Wait till you hear the story about the game. So, quick start guide. I feel like I don't need that. I already have a PS4, so. Package.
Oh my god, look at that.
Oh, so sick.
This is my first time ever laying my eyes on a PS4 Pro.
Same, actually. Same. Hell of a PS4 Pro to the first, I guess.
Oh my god, look, you can see the camera in the reflection. Oh my goodness me.
That even has some weight to it.
It's heavy, is it?
And it's like bigger. Like than the normal PS4, I'm not used to that. Pick it up for a sec, though. Just seems like it has more weight to it than like my PS4 does.
Oh my god.
Oh, that looks beautiful. Oh. Let's see what else we got in here. So, the game, of course. I think that is that the basic.
That's yeah.
I wish we had got something cool with it. But
And what do you got in the back? So there's blood, the drug reference, language, and violence. Rated T for T.
45 gigabytes minimum, one player. That's I kind of expected. I was kind of hoping maybe a Spider-Verse DLC or something.
I think we are supposed to be together. That's the third DLC apparently that's going to be coming out. Is a Spider-Verse DLC.
That's a code for something. I'm not gonna put that. This must be the controller. Y is for. Holy shit.
Tech. For that 4K power source.
Let's get this out here. We're gonna make that here. So we got the PS4. That is a pretty heavy duty. I don't have a Pro, so. This is all relatively new to me. Holy shit. Look at that. The hole for the power.
Yeah, that doesn't look like the
It reminds me like it's big. It reminds me of like the Xbox. Like, it's just for the controller. So. This box interesting.
and there's your sexy Spider-Man controller.
That looks sick.
And I'm not even going home until later tonight.
It's pretty basic, but I love it. No difference between the Pro controller and the PS4, is there?
I don't think in the controllers, no.
There's the headset that comes with the console. HDMI cord.
So yeah, I guess with that being said, I guess it's about time to go hook her up.
Yeah, we gotta play this.